I know you think you're changing the world with your electric car, but did you know 60% of all electricity is actually generated using fossil fuels? It's a joke. Real change won't come from you composting your bits and bobs. Not 100% recyclable. 5 to 7 gallons per flush. Mixed carbon. And those certification seals? It's just a scam where they can charge 100 times more for a banana that's sustainably farmed, whatever that means.
Yes, electric grids still need to get much cleaner before EVs are truly emissions-free. But last year, worldwide spending on carbon-free energy passed $1 trillion, which means for the first time ever, we spend as much on clean energy as we did on fossil fuels. And this.
Not many people realize, but many countries, including Sweden, Brazil, and Nepal, get 90% of their energy from low-carbon sources.
So, we're getting there.
Slowly.
Composting and eliminating food waste can reduce greenhouse gas emissions by 8%, which is 8% better than nothing percent. And aluminum is 100% recyclable.
Ouch.
And this little seal? It means 4 million farmers across 5 continents and 58 countries are adopting more sustainable or even regenerative farming methods that don't just aim to protect the rainforest, but help it and its people thrive. But don't just take it from me.
Reducimos el uso de agroquímicos, plantamos árboles y ahora todo crece más fuerte.
It also means millions of people working at 6,000 companies dedicated to making sure that their 54,000 products are not f***ing up the world. And if 100 million consumers like me bought certified products, there's no question we'll be making a difference.
Fine. Don't know what you're getting so worked up about. I'm just the voice in your head.
Oh. Oh.
I'll have what she's having.
Pessimism is out. We're all in. Join the Alliance.